Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this device. Firstly, go into settings and scroll all the way down. Now you need to click on additional settings over here, then select languages and input, manage keywords and Gbird. Then go into text correction, scroll down and click on the switcher next to autocorrection feature. As you can see, automatic text correction is now off, but you can always turn it back on by tapping on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!